Good morning, children. Now we are going to learn maths subject. So we already saw what addition, subtraction, all that we learned in the previous class. Now, zero. What is that? Zero. Zero na enaduma. What is mean by zero? Zero means only illadudha zero. How you write zero? Like this only. We wrote zero. Okay. So here is one song. See here. In your book, page number 48. Page number 48 in your book. All take your book, children. Take your book and take page number 48. I am the hero. My name is Zero. I am the hero. My name is Zero. Here they are given a song. Here see. 3 bits of paper lying on the floor. How many papers? 3 papers. 3 bits of papers lying on the floor. Pick one up. Pick one up. Put it in the bin. Where in 3 bits of paper, they pick one paper and put it in the dustbin. And how many remaining? 2. So look at the floor now. 2 are left. How many are remaining now? 2 are left. 2 bits of paper lying on the floor. Now how many bits of paper are lying on the floor? 2 only. So 2 bits of paper lying on the floor. Pick one up and put it in the bin. Now again you pick one bit of paper and put it in the bin. Now how many remaining there? 1 is 1. Only 1 is left there. Now see, 1 bit of paper lying on the floor. Now how many bit of paper lying on the floor? Only 1, no. So 1 bit of paper lying on the floor. Pick it up and put it in the bin. So one bit of paper lying on the floor. You pick it up and put it in the dustbin. Now how many are remaining there? No. Look at the floor. Now there is no paper left. Now there is no paper. First, how many papers? Bit of paper is there? 3. Now 1. You pick up one paper and put it in the bin. Now how many remaining? 2. 2 bits of papers are remaining. And again you pick up one paper and put it in the dustbin. Now how many bits of paper are remaining? Only 1. So you pick it up one bit of paper and put it in the dustbin. Now how many bits of paper are remaining there? No, there is no bits of paper. So here there is 0. So that is the 0. Okay. All take your book and take page number 48 and say, children, 3 bits of paper lying on the floor. Pick one up, put it in the bin. Look at the floor now. 2 bits of paper. Now 2 are left. 2 bits of paper lying on the floor. Pick one up, put it in the bin. Look at the floor. Now 1 is left. So 1 bit of paper lying on the floor. Pick it up and put it in the bin. Look at the floor now. There is no paper left. There is no paper. So for no means that there is 0. So first 3 bits of papers are lying on the floor. In that you pick up one bit of paper and put it in the dustbin. Now there are remaining 2 bits of paper on the floor. Now again you pick it up one and put it in the dustbin. Now how many left? Only 1 bit of paper is left. You pick up the one paper and put it in the dustbin. Now how many papers are remaining there? There is no bits of paper in the floor. So that is 0. Understand, children? Have you all understand this song? Say once again, you say, children. 3 bits of paper lying on the floor. Pick one up, put it in the bin. Look at the floor now. 2 are left. 2 bits of paper lying on the floor. Pick one up, put it in the bin. Look at the floor. 1 are left. Okay, 1 is left. 1 bit of paper lying on the floor. Pick it up and put it in the bin. Look at the floor now. There is no paper left. There is no paper left. Have you understand this song, children? Have you all understand this song in your book, page number 48? See here. So you read this song, children. Okay. 3 bits of paper lying on the floor. pick one up and put it in the bin. Look at the floor now. There are 2 bits of paper. 2 bits of paper lying on the floor. Pick it up and put it in the bin. Look at the floor now. 1 is left. How many left? 1 is left. 1 bit of paper lying on the floor. Pick it up and put it in the bin. Look at the floor now. There is no paper left. There is no paper left. So that is 0. First 3 paper, you pick it up 1 paper and put it in the dustbin. Remaining is 2. Again you pick it up 1 paper and put it in the dustbin. Remaining is 1. So again you pick up one paper, 1 bit of paper and put it in the dustbin. Lastly there is no bit of paper. Okay, have you understand this one, children? Yes, here see. In your same book, same page number 48, here see in a cage there is 2 parrot. Okay, in another picture, how many parrots are remaining there? So 1 parrot is flew away. So in the cage only 1 parrot is there. In next page see, both the parrots are fly away. So there is no parrot in the cage. So here it is 0. Understand, children? Have you all understand this one? Here see, in first picture there is 2 parrot in the cage. In the second picture, 1 parrot is flying away and 1 parrot is inside the cage. In the third picture, both the parrots are flying away. So there is no parrot in the cage. So there is 0. Understand, children? Okay. Here see how you should write the 0. In your book, page number 49. Take your book, children. All take your book and take page number 49 and see here. 0. They are given the 0, no? So in that box you should write. This is the homework for you. Here see, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay, they are given that. So you have to finish that one. Okay. Next, count and write the number of butterflies. Here you have to count the butterflies and write it in that box. Here see. This is 1 flower. This is another flower. This is another flower. This is 1 flower. So you have to count the butterflies in the flower and write in the box. Okay. Okay. See here. You have to write here. Write here in the box. You should count the butterflies. Here see. See, children, all listen here. So this is the flower. In that see, in first flower, how many butterflies are there? Count and say, children. Take your book and count and say. See, there is 1, 2, 3 butterflies. So how many butterflies in first? In first flower, how many butterflies? 3. So you should write here 3. In second flower, how many butterflies? 1, 2. So 2 butterflies. Here you have to write 2. In third flower, how many butterflies? Only 1. Okay. In the last box flower, how many butterflies are there? No butterflies. So there is 0. So this is the 0. Understand, children? Have you understand this one? See, in the first box, in the first flower box, there is 3 butterflies. In first flower, there are 3 butterflies. In second flower, there are 2 butterflies. In third flower, only 1 butterfly is there. Okay, in fourth flower, there is no butterfly. All the butterflies are flew away. Okay, next. Like that, you have to write. Here, see. You should say, children, okay? Here, see. You should say. Here, see, in first box, how many pencils are there? See here, in first glass, how many pencils are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. So write here 4. In second, no. So that is 0. In third, 3 pencils. You should write 3. In 4, 1 pencil. Okay? Understand, children? Have you all understand this one? Count and write the number of pencil. You should count here. See, in your book page number 49. Here, see, 1, 2, 3, 4. You write here 4. In second glass, no. So that is 0. Okay. In third, 3 pencils are there. So here you write 3. In fourth box, in fourth glass, only 1. So you have to write here 1. So you have to count the pencils and write in the box. In the second glass only there is no pencil. So that is 0. Understand, children? Like that here say count and write the number of tomatoes. Here they are given the tomatoes in a plate. See, in a first plate how many tomatoes are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So in first box you should write 7. You have to write 7. In the second plate, how many tomatoes are there? 3. So, 3 you have to write. In third plate, how many tomatoes, children? See, there is any tomato there in third plate? No. So, that is 0. Understand, children? That is what? 0. In fourth plate, how many tomatoes? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, you have to write 5. You will understand, children? What is 0? There is no mean, that is 0. Okay. Here, see, in first plate there is 7 tomatoes. In second plate 3 tomatoes. In third plate there is no tomatoes. So for that we have to write 0. What you have to write for that? 0. In fourth plate there are 5 tomatoes. So you should write here 5. Okay, children, and have you all understand this one? Okay. Okay, next. Next, see. This is 0. Have you all understand this one now, children? Okay, we pass on to next. Next I give you homework for you. So, you have to write homework. Okay. I give homework. Count and write. What is that? Count and write. Okay. Count and write. You have to count and write. Take your note and draw like this, children. You have to count the pictures and write the number here. Okay. You should write the number here. Then second one. This is the first one. See, this is first one. This is second one. You have to count the stars and write here. Okay, children? Here you have to write the number of stars. Here you have to write. This is homework for you, children. All take a note and write this one. This is homework for you. So this is homework for you. Here see. Here how many balls you have to write here the numbers. How many balls here you have to write. Next here see how many balls you have to write the number here in the box. Here you have to write the number. Here you have to write. Okay. So you should count and write the numbers. This is the homework for you. Okay, children. Stars. How many stars here? Count and write here. Here how many? No means what you have to write there? 0. If there is no means what you have to write? 0. Then here how many? You have to count and write. Here you have to count and write here. Like that here. How many triangles? You have to write. Here how many triangles? You have to write. Here how many triangles? Here you have to write. Next here no. So what you have to write here? Here is 0. There is no means, that is 0. Okay. Here also how many trees you have to write. Here how many you have to write. Here how many trees ma? Here no tree. So here you have to write 0. Then here only 1. So you should write 1. Okay, have you understand this one, children? This is homework for you. All take your note and write like this and do the homework. In next class I ask the homework. I will ask you. Okay. Next. Addition, subtraction. All are finished now, children. Have you all remember that one? Have you all? Okay. I gave you homework also in that. Have you all finished that one, children? Have you all finished? Okay, very good. Now, next. Next is also a homework. I give in addition. You have to add. Okay. Addition, I give homework for you. First one, 2 plus 3. Second one, 4 plus 2. Third one, 6 plus 4. This is also homework, children. Take a note and write. 7 plus 2. Only 4 I gave you. Okay. So this is also homework. You should do in your note. Okay, children. This is also homework. You should count and add. Okay, children.